Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the dating shortcut with the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. Let's start. To remove dating shortcut, first open the Facebook app on your device, then tap the menu button in the bottom right corner. Next, select the gear icon in the top right to open settings. In the settings, scroll down to Preferences and select Navigation Bar. From here, choose Customize Navigation Bar. Scroll down to the Available section, find Dating, and select the drop-down next to it. Choose Hide, and it will be moved to the Hidden section. You can also use this method to hide other shortcuts on your Facebook bar. Now, the Facebook Dating shortcut will no longer appear in the bottom menu. That's it! Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.